Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone, close heavy background apps and free at least 500 MB of RAM so the player has headroom. Next, update MIUI and the video app. Outdated code causes buffering and crashes. Once done, test on a stable Wi-Fi or a reliable 4G connection. Aim for over 3 Mbps to rule out network drops. While you do this, reboot the device. A quick restart clears temporary processes and immediately improves playback. Now you handle the app and storage. Clear the video player's cache first, because corrupted cache often causes pauses. If necessary, clear app data to reset settings. Make sure internal storage has at least 500 MB free. Low storage forces the system to kill processes and interrupts videos. If problems persist, force stop, then reinstall the app. This replaces broken binaries. Also move large videos to SD or cloud. Local I/O bottlenecks can cause stalling. Finish with network and format checks. Try a different player like VLC, codecs, or hardware acceleration differ, and that alone can fix stopping. Then reduce streaming quality to 480p or 360p. Lower bitrate reduces stalls. Make sure background downloads or VPNs aren't throttling bandwidth. If you still hit problems, back up your data and factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if a reset fails, test playback on another device to confirm whether the file or network is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.